What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. In today's video I'm going to do a quick install of these all-weather floor mats. I got these floor mats from using my Chevrolet rewards. Got these from the Chevrolet accessories website for my new 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS. So let's get to it. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take out the stock mats. I'm pretty tall, so this seat's already as far back as it can go. So you just have to unpop these two clips, 1 and 2. Real simple. Kind of shake off that salt there. So driver's side old stock mat. And which one is it? Yep, this one, driver's side new mat. Trying to get this one-handed for everyone here. Alright, then you just line it up. And look for your 2 pins. So there's that one, push down so it snaps. There's one, and same thing for the second one. Make sure nothing is getting caught here by the brake pedal or the gas pedal. And there you go. Driver's side is complete. Let's go to the passenger side now. Let's get these snow brushers out of the way. Alright, get rid of the stock mat. The passenger side does not have any clips on it, as you can see. Alright, and then we have the new all-weather passenger side mat. Bring this chair back a little bit more. Get this bad boy popped in here. And there you have it. Looks good. Alright, so there you have it. The all-weather floor mat install for a 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS all-wheel drive. If you like, comment, or subscribe on the video, I'd greatly appreciate it. And look forward to some more Blazer content. Have a good one.